Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 7 to the power of 3x plus 7 to the power of 2x plus 7 to the power of x is equal to 14 to find the values of x. In the first step, as you know, if we have a to the power of m times n, we can write this as a to the power of m to the power of n, or we can write this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So, from this formula, we can write this 7 to the power of 3x as in here 7 to the power of x to the power of 3, and in here 7 to the power of 2x, we can write 7 to the power of x to the power of 2, and in here we have 7 to the power of x is equal to 14. And in next step, in here we have 7 to the power of x is common, and we can let 7 to the power of x as t. So, we rewrite this equation and it will be t to the power of 3 plus t square plus t, and in here we let this 14 to this side and it will be negative 14 is equal to 0. And in next step, write this t cube plus t square plus t, and in here we can write this negative 14 as negative 8 minus 4 and minus 2, right? This is equal to negative 14 is equal to 0. And in next step, we take this and this together, this t square and this negative 4 together, and this t and this negative 2 together. So it will be t cube minus 8 plus t square minus 4 and plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. And in here we can write this negative 8 t cube minus, we can write this 8 as 2 to the power of 3, and plus, in here we can write 4 as 2 to the power of 2, so it will be t square minus 2 to the power of 2, and in here we can write this t minus 2 is equal to 0. And in next step, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and it will be a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, and this is in the form of a square minus b square, and it will be a minus b times a plus b. So, in next step, write this and this in this form. From this formula, we write in this form, and it will be t cube minus 2 cube. We can write this as a minus b, so it will be t minus 2 times a square, it will be t square, plus ab plus 2 times t, and plus b square, it will be 2 square is 4. And plus, in here we have t square minus 2 square, we can write this in this form, and it will be t minus 2 times t plus 2, and in here we have t minus 2, so plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. And in next step, t minus 2 is common, so we factor t minus 2, and this divided by this, it will be t square plus 2t plus 4, and this divided by t minus 2, it will be t plus 2, so it will be t plus 2, and this divided by t minus 2, it will be 1 is equal to 0, and it will be t minus 2 times t square minus 2t plus t, it will be 3t, and 4 plus 2 plus 1, it will be 7, is equal to 0. And in next step, this times this is equal to 0, so we have two solutions for t. T minus 2 is equal to 0, or t squared minus 3t plus 7 is equal to 0. In here, we take this negative 2 to this side, and it will be t is equal to 2. And in here, we have a quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is t is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of t squared is 1, and b is coefficient of t is negative 3, and c is constant is 7. So t is equal to negative b, negative 3 is positive 3, plus or minus square root of b squared negative 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 7, over 2a, 2 times 1 is 2, and it will be t is equal to 3 plus or minus 9 minus 7 times 1 times 4 times 1 times 7, it will be 28, so 9 minus 28, it will be negative 19 over 2. And in here, negative 19 is less than 0, so discriminant is less than 0. And in here, we have no real solution, so we reject this answer. And we continue by this t is equal to 2. In next step, we recall this 7 to power of x is equal to t. So we write in here, we recall 7 to power of x is equal to t. And t is 2, so we write 7 to power of x is equal to 2. And in next step, we apply log of base 7 to both sides of the equation. So we apply log base 7, log of 7 to power of x to base 7 is equal to log of 2 to base 7. So from log rules, if we have log of a to power of b to base c, this is equal to b times log of a to base c. In here, we can take this b, this power, outside of this log, and it will be b times log of a to base c. And here, we can take this x outside of this log, and it will be x times log of 7 to base 7 is equal to log of 2 to base 7. And here, log of 7 to base 7 is 1, and x is equal to log of 2 to base 7. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.